Thank you for calling support. This is Kevin. How can I help you?
Well, I don't know if you can or not. I was surfing the web this morning, and all of a sudden, I'm sorry, I got a frog in my throat this morning. So I was searching the web, and all of a sudden, I got my screen went haywire. So I immediately shut it off, and I'm not quite sure what to do now.
Okay. So did you make any modification in your computer, or did you download anything recently?
Well, sure, yeah. I mean, I was doing some online banking, and let's see what else. I was looking for some information on some particular bolts that I need for a wagon wheel. And let's see what else. I ordered some tools. Other than that, I don't think I did. But
Mm-hmm. Okay. So did you download anything onto it at that particular time?
uh, I don't think I did, but I really don't know. Um, to tell you the truth, I kind of panicked when I saw this. It was kind of going crazy, telling me I had to call a number, and so I quick wrote down the number, and then I shut everything off.
Okay. Because could have been the possibility, sir, that by accidentally or by mistake you might have clicked onto something wrong. The reason being why you got the security alert. So, could you tell me what kind of security alert it shows you? Like, it is kind of IP blocker alert, Trojan spyware alert, or what kind of alert it was?
No, I can't because I shut off my computer after I wrote the number down. I think it might have said Windows Defender someplace on the screen, but I wouldn't bet on it.
Right, 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 right. So on Windows Defender alert, does it give you Trojan spyware issue? What was the issue mentioned there? Like it is kind of a Trojan issue, spyware issue, or it is kind of an IP blocker issue? What kind of issue it was? Do you remember anything?
No, I don't. To tell you the truth, I wasn't anxious to read the whole thing. I was afraid it was doing something bad to my computer, so
Mm-hmm.
after I wrote down the number, I simply shut it off.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Can you talk up just a
Okay.
little bit? I'm kind of
And you told
hard
me
of
that.
hearing, but
Sure. Can
oh,
you hear me better?
that's much better. Thank you.
Is it- Okay. So, could have been the possibility, sir, that by accidentally or by mistake, by clicking onto something wrong. The reason being why you got this security alert. So, what best we can do at the moment is we gonna guide you a few steps. We're gonna first make your device connect to our secure server so that nothing goes wrong. And then we'll be performing a couple of scans to find out the root cause of the problem. That's why did you receive that security alert? And if the problem is fixable, we'll go ahead and get it fixed for you, sir.
Oh, I certainly hope it's fixable.
Sure. So at the moment, is your computer is turned off or is it turned on right now?
Right now it's off. I can turn it back on again. Your volume dropped way down again. It was great for a while, and then it dropped down again.
Hmm. That's fine. Take your time. Let me know once it's turned on.
Okay, could you try speaking up again? It was good before, and now it's bad again.
Sure. Just a second. I'm saying I want to turn the computer on, and let me know
Okay,
once you turn it on.
yeah, I did that. Okay, it's on now.
Okay, now I'm gonna guide you a few steps. You just have to follow those, okay? So look on your keyboard On the very left-hand side, at the bottom of your keyboard, at the lower left-hand side corner, you'll be able to see a Windows key down below, like a key with 4 boxes, like an icon, right?
Yep.
So you have to press that key along with the or at the same time, and let me know what comes up.
Okay. Well, a little box came up.
Right. Now in that box, I want you to type a web address for me in there. That is www dot.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Sure.
Okay. www dot.
Ultra. 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 Viewer. VIEWER. ultraviewer.net. It's all
Okay.
one word, no
I did.
space in between.
I did that.
That's ultraviewer.net.
Mm-hmm. He's got a real frog in my throat.
Click OK.
Okay. Now what?
Have you clicked OK?
Yeah.
Now what comes up on your screen?
Web address. It says sharing audio on remote computer. Now available on UltraViewer Professional. Order now. Download.
Yep. Click on download.
Download. Okay. Okay, I did that.
Now what do you see? Do you see UltraViewer setup file? There might be a downloaded file.
I do. Yep.
UltraViewer setup 6.5. Open it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Double click on it.
Right.
Okay, I did that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, it's extracting some files.
Right.
And then there's a list of strange files. I don't know what to do with them.
Mm-hmm. What do you see right now?
I see a box that says UltraViewer setup 6.5 underscore en.exe, and then it says archive, edit, view, help, open, extract, and then a couple little icons. And then underneath that it has some file names. .r.
Open it.
Open it. Okay, click on open. Okay, I did that. And it just takes me back to my downloads folder.
Mm-hmm. So double click on that setup file.
I did, and it returns me back to that same window with the whole list on it.
It will give you a box which says seeking your permission to allow or to click yes.
No, I don't get that. I don't have that. Can you talk up a little bit again? I mean, you're getting very faint on me.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, that's better.
Let me know what do you see right now?
The same thing I saw before. That box that says it's extract. When I double click on the UltraViewer setup, it pulls up a box, and it lists a whole bunch of
Mm-hmm.
what icons with some weird. I don't know what they mean. They're kind of strange. And they're all dated 31st of December 1969, which is a long time ago. Long time ago.
Yep, that means you have already opened the file, downloaded file, and you have double clicked on it. So once you double click on that set of file, what comes up? Like, doesn't it seek permission from you to click allow, okay, next?
No, I don't get any of that. No. Mm-mm.
Hold on, it will come up. Hold on.
Okay. Still nothing.
Hold on. When do you extract the files, and after that what comes up? Like when you extract the files,
When I extract the files, I get a list. The first one is .rsrc, size 46 kilobits. It's a folder. The next one is .bss, 0 bytes. The third one is .data, 3.6 KB. The fourth one is .idata, 4.1 KB. The next one is itext, 4.1 KB. Then there's .rdata, 512 bytes. And then .text, .text in other words, 62.5 KB. Then there's one that's .tls, 0 bytes. And then there's two more. One that says 0, that's 3.4 megabytes. It's in brackets. And then lastly, there's one that says certificate, 9.4 KB. And underneath that, it says 10 objects, 3.5 megabytes, MB. Mm-hmm.
do you see any setup file that says ultraviewer.setup 6.5?
Yeah, that's what I've been clicking on. I did it twice now, and each time I get the same list of odd names.
No, when you double click on that setup file, what comes up? I want you to double click on the setup file and then tell me what comes up.
Well, that's what I did. I double clicked on ultraviewer underscore setup underscore 6.5 underscore en.exe. And when I do that, that's what I get. I get a box with that list of names. That's exactly what I get. I've done it 3 times now, and every time I get the same result.
Does it say select additional task or select additional task would you like to set up?
Nope, doesn't do any of that.
Okay. Okay, well, in that case, do me a favor, sir. Press the window key and the letter R for me.
Okay,
Press the window key and the letter R.
okay.
Now, let me know what comes up.
Well, I get the same box that I typed www.ultraviewer.net in before.
Yes, remove ultraviewer from there and type in there www.anydesk.com. It's all one word. Any, A-N-Y-D-E-S-K.
Okay,
A as in alpha, N as in Nancy, Y as in yellow. A-N-Y-D-E-S-K. Anydesk. It's all one word. Anydesk.com.
okay. Okay, it says support.now, download now, and so on and so forth.
Yep. Click on download now. Click on download now.
Okay, I did that.
Do you see any file by the name of anydesk.txt open file?
Yep.
Open it.
Okay, I did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What comes up?
I got a window that says Welcome to AnyDesk 6.2, and then some other stuff. Down the bottom, set a password, get started. You want me to click on Get Started?
No, sure. What exactly do you see at the moment? I just want to know it.
Okay, across the top it says AnyDesk, new session, welcome. Underneath that it says Welcome to AnyDesk, then Welcome to AnyDesk 6.2, and then flexible session recording, wake on LAN, group policies, two-factor authentication, address book, set password down the lower right-hand corner, and then get started down at the bottom.
Does it give you your address?
No, in the box where there's a box under your address, and it just has a 0 in it.
Just a second, sir. Let me see. What does it say? Can you read out once again? What exactly do you see?
Okay. It says enter remote address. Underneath that, your address, and then your desk can be accessed with this address. And underneath that, it has a 0, and then underneath that, it says invite via email. What?
So where it says your address, what does it mention there? Does it give you any 9-digit address, or what does it say?
No, it just has a 0. Let me double click on it again and see what I get. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, let me try doing it again and see what I get. Oh, let's see here. No, that doesn't do it. No, I don't see it there. When
you open it.
When I click on it, it just has
a. See your address again.
It just has a 0 in the address box.
It mentions just 0.
Just all it has is a 0.
Can you refresh the page?
Well, it's not a page. I mean, it's a program. It looks like a program on the computer. I don't see a refresh button. It does have a place to enter a remote address. And then underneath that is a red box that says set password, and then a blue box that says what's new in AnyDesk 6.2.
AnyDesk 6.3.
No, 6.2 it says.
It's AnyDesk 6.2 which you're talking about?
Yes. Maybe I need to reboot the computer. You want me to reboot it?
No, not reboot the computer. Just a second, sir. Okay, can you go in settings
Settings of what?
of AnyDesk itself? Just a second, sir.
Okay, yeah, I can do that. I see in the upper right hand corner there's a stack of lines. Yeah, I can do that. I get settings. Okay, settings. Got it.
Sir, does it ask you to update your AnyDesk? If it's asked you to update your AnyDesk, kindly update your AnyDesk.
Where do I see that?
Once you open it, it will be asking you to update AnyDesk, like where it says your address. So it will be giving you an option there to update AnyDesk.
Nope, not there. There is no option like that. Let me reboot my computer and let's see what happens. Okay. Maybe things got screwed up. I'm gonna reboot it and we'll see what happens. So let's see. We're shutting down here. All right, it's coming up. Let's see. Windows is doing its little circle thing, which it didn't do before, so maybe there was a problem. Please wait. Okay, let's see, now I gotta log in. Say welcome. Looks like Windows is doing one of its typical, there we go. Now I got my screen, okay. Now let me double click on this AnyDesk again. Let's see what happens.
Sure. Now you'll see there must be two icons on your computer screen. One is Ultra Viewer, one is AnyDesk. So open any one of it.
Okay.
let me know what comes up.
Okay. It's working. Okay, here we go. It must have updated or something because now it says what's new in AnyDesk 7.0, and it's got nine numbers.
Absolutely. Yep, go ahead. Give me the 9 numbers.
614-204-058.
Sure, you have to be slow. I'm not that fast.
Oh, sorry.
So go ahead once again. Go slow, okay?
614-204-058.
All right. Now, in a moment, you'll see there is a box going to open up. It's actually a security box will going to come up. You'll see in a moment there is a security box will going to open up.
Yep.
When you get the security box, so you have to, in that box down below, there is a small box that you have to check mark that I'm aware of the risk and click accept.
Okay,
The
I
moment
did
you
that.
click accept, there is another box will going to open up. Another box will going to open up seeking your permission.
Okay,
Click accept again.
I did.
Or click yes, click OK. Whatever permission that comes up. Okay, now just allow me a moment, sir. Now you are connected. Do me a favor, minimize this small box, the chat box which just comes up. Above the chat box, there is a minimize sign, so minimize the box.
Okay, I did that.
Now in that box where you see the address ID on the right hand side corner, you'll see there is 4 lines. There is an icon with 4 horizontal lines. I want you to click on it. The moment you click on it, it will give you second option of set password. Click on set password. Second option, set password. Click on second option, set password.
Okay, I
So
did.
put your default password. Click yes.
Wait a minute.
Click yes.
I did. Okay, now
You
what?
have to not put in your default password, which is USA.
Well, that's not my default password. You want me to put in something
Yes,
different?
you have to type it in. It's all lowercase USA.
You don't want me to put in my password.
Yes, sir. You have to type in. I'm telling you what's your default password, which is USA.
Okay.
Sir, no.
Oh, you said put in my password.
Put it again.
I
No,
asked
sir.
you.
I'm giving you your default password.
Oh,
I'm giving you
you're
your
giving.
default.
Okay,
I'm
you're
sorry.
giving it to me. I thought you said put in my password. Okay, USA
11
11
235 235 235.
11235. I
Right.
better write
Now
that
you have
down.
to put the same password down below.
USA
Sure.
11325. Right?
11235. Yes, you have
Oh,
to put
two.
the same thing in confirm
Oh,
password. Click on confirm password.
It was 11235, not 325. Okay, I got it. Okay, USA. Let's see.
Click on confirm password.
USA
USA
11
11 11235
4 ones.
235.
Okay, I got it.
Click OK.
I got it.
All right. Now, where it says interactive access, click on the third option.
I don't see it. Let's see. Where's interactive access?
On the very top. On
Oh,
the very
way
top,
up,
where
way
it
up top
says,
there. I
sir,
got
on
it.
the very top,
Okay,
where it says interactive access,
okay.
click on the third option.
I got it.
Now, just allow me a moment.
Okay,
Just give me a moment.
Okay.
Hold on.
Are we getting that same
I'm
message
going to
again?
make you connect with us.
Are you getting that same message again? Accept? Okay, now what?
Just allow me a moment, sir.
Okay.
Now I just want you to leave your mouse. You can sit back, relax.
Okay.
Now you are connected with us. So just give me a quick second.
Okay.
Alright. Now what I'm going to do, sir, I'm going to quickly go ahead and run a couple of scans for you to find out what's exactly the problem is, and we'll go ahead and get it fixed for you. Hold on.
Okay. So what are you finding out?
Well, sir, I'm just looking up here, a couple of things up here to find out that what was the problem you were facing initially. And what I see here, that it shows me that you got a lot many errors and warnings on your system.
Oh goodness, look at all of them.
If you just see up here, right. I just would like to know, sir, do you access your computer like late night, 3 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock in the morning?
Not as a rule.
Okay, and who else accesses this computer apart from you?
Oh, my kids do when they're coming over.
your kids use it, and your kids are how old?
Oh, let's see. The youngest is 44 and the oldest is 52.
Okay. Hmm. What I see here, sir, that you got some run DLL files downloaded on your system, and that's how you got Trojan spyware on your device. That means there are people from different locations. They're trying to break the security of your network, and they are connected with your home IP. So that's why, like, recently, have you shared your Wi-Fi password with any of your friends and family?
Sure.
And in your neighborhood?
Sure. Why not?
You have shared your Wi-Fi password.
Oh, absolutely. I let the neighbors use it. And,
And
you
why
know.
did you share your Wi-Fi password?
Why? Did you ask me why?
Yes, I mean,
Why not?
yes, sir. Well, I mean, why do you share your Wi-Fi password with people?
Why not? You don't believe in sharing?
Well, sir, sharing your Wi-Fi password could land you in problem, and that's what happened. Um, Let me see. Can you see these drivers of your computers which are not working, which say stop, stop?
Yep.
Can you confirm your zip code, sir?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I got distracted for a minute there. 61036.
Okay.
I mean, my neighbors are all old comrades. We we met up many years ago in Gettysburg before we all moved to this retirement community. We're all in a retirement community, and they've been good friends for years,
Well, sir,
except for George Pickett. George Pickett has a way of
okay.
is always charging up the hill, running through the peach orchard, and we used to live on Cemetery Ridge out near Gettysburg, and then we moved out here to the retirement
I'm
community.
giving,
So some of us are more mentally sharp than others. But anyway, we're all getting kind of old together, and that's we share a lot of stuff, and you might as well share your Wi-Fi, right?
that is fine, sir. However, are you familiar with anybody on Franklin Street?
Franklin Street, no.
Anybody?
We live in
Um,
a we live in a
Washington Street.
we live in a retirement community. What I mean, who cares who else is living around there? I just hang out with my friends. That's enough.
Okay. And if I ask you, sir, what sort of things you do onto this computer? Like, on this computer, what usually do you do onto this computer? Do you play online games? Do you pay your bills? What sort of things you do onto this computer?
I play chess sometimes. I do some online banking once in a while, not very often. Um, you know, I read the New York Times sometimes, and you know, I don't know. I pretty much do what everybody does. Do a lot of reading on it.
Okay. And apart from that, do you shop online?
Very rarely. Very rarely.
And moreover, do you pay your bills online as well?
Yeah, I have it set up so the bank pays them all automatically. The bank does all that for me.
Okay. Okay. The reason being why I'm a little concerned here, sir, because I can see there are several people from Franklin Street, from Summit Street, North Hickory Road, Fulton Street. Like, these are the different IP addresses I can see here from these places, wherein different people from different locations are trying to
From which street?
connect with your Wi-Fi network to find out what you were doing.
From which street?
I said, let me tell you once again, sir.
Okay.
The Franklin Street, North Hickory Street.
Well, I don't know. Franklin Street is a couple streets over. We're on Elk Street. I can't believe it. It would signal would go that far, but maybe it does.
Like, I can see here a couple of streets like Bridge Street, Fulton Street, and it stays.
Well, Bridge Street is
Southwater Street.
Bridge Street is quite a ways from the Victoria Heights apartments. You know, our address is Young Street. Franklin's not that far. And there's Driscoll and Campbell Street, and we don't get out much though. But anyway, you know. So what do we do? Send the cops after those people if they're coming from Franklin Street? We'll just call the cops, huh?
Well, sir, first of all, what I suggest to you is that first of all we have to kick these IP addresses out. And accordingly, we will be creating a complete diagnostic report, and we will be sending it to our fraud control department so that they can further investigate about this whole thing. Because what I see here is that all these different IP addresses are connected to your home network from past more than a couple of months.
Well, what's the address it's coming from on Franklin Street? I'll call my buddies over at the sheriff's department. They'll go over. They'll take care of this.
Location.
The sheriff's department. I know a bunch of guys at the sheriff's department. They'll take care of it. Hey, just give me the address on Franklin Street. We'll take care of it. We'll go beat the crap out of them.
Sure, I'm not able. That is perfectly fine. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see the exact location. However, it shows me just North Bench Street, and North High Street is connected to the Franklin Street, and
Oh, wait a
I
minute.
can see.
You said High Street. High Street is not connected to Franklin Street. That's a long ways away. There's Hill Street. Hill Street runs up the hill, you know, up towards the Walmart and everything like that. But you know, how close are they to the river?
Northwest.
Hills.
How close are they to the river?
Hills.
I said it's northwest. I said.
Hills.
Northwest what?
Hills.
Northwest Street.
I sure you got the town right? Because that doesn't make any sense. They're not close to the apartments we live in at all.
Pills.
Hang on, I gotta go take some pills here. Hang on.
Well, sir,
Pills.
sure.
Pills.
I'll get you pills.
Pills.
What are you doing out here, honey?
Pills.
It's not put it out on the table.
Pills. Pills.
Wrong with it.
So you turn it off.
Yeah, I'll shut it off.
Pills.
Yes.
Don't turn it off totally.
Pills.
Don't forget to open yours.
Pills.
You got something to drink?
Yes, I do.
I'll take it. I'll take all this out there. Okay, I'm back now. Hello?
All right, can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yep. My screen got all
So let
black.
me know what's exactly, like, northwest.
My screen got all black. How come
I'm
it's
sorry?
all black? My screen's all black. Oh, there it goes. Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
back.
Sometimes it
Never mind. bad.
goes black and down.
I see. Okay. Now, what were you asking me?
Or are you familiar with also, I was asking that Northwest Street and North Hickory Street are connected, well connected to Franklin Street. So I got a couple of IP addresses from there, and
Well, I don't know. That they're
apart from
they're
that,
long
one
they're
more
long
IP
ways.
address I can see here.
What was that other street? I mean, Franklin Street runs from the river up to Hill Street, which goes up the hill, obviously. And, you know, then it goes by the middle school and goes up around until it connects with US 20. I don't see those other streets. I mean, I don't know of those other streets. I don't see them connecting at all. They doesn't make any
So you
sense.
live nearby the river, or it's far from river?
No, well, nothing is far in Galena. I mean, it's a matter of blocks, but it's on 831 Young Street, which is to the other side of Franklin. But anyway, okay, just go fix the problem. If you could get me the addresses of those folks that are stealing my Wi-Fi, we'll just call the sheriff's department.
That is fine, sir, but unfortunately we do not have the exact location. We just see that it's from these locations that people are doing it. So I thought maybe you might have friends who are connected with your network, and they are using it from Franklin Street.
No, we're all in the same building. They got a whole row of apartments, and all my friends live in the apartments. We were quite a group. It was George Meade and Stonewall Jackson. That's his nickname, of course, and James Longstreet and Robert Lee and old George Pickett. Boy, I wonder if he didn't get his head clipped off. That guy could get into so much trouble. If he could just stay out of that peach orchard, he would have been okay. And crossing the wheat field didn't help either. But anyway, so We all met up at Gettysburg, had a good time, and then we all moved out here to Galena. After you get pretty old, once you get old, things get a little nutty. But anyway, we share Wi-Fi.
That's fine.
It's cheaper that way. See, you only
Okay.
have one
Now,
person pay the fee, and then everybody
Certainly.
else hacks onto the same Wi-Fi. So that works great.
Right, got it. So Walter, I personally suggest you if you do emails from the computer, try and avoid emails like opening spam emails, junk emails, because these are not safe these days. Could have been the possibility that maybe by opening spam emails you are getting these sort of infections. Now, in order to secure your whole network, what we're going to do is we're going to run a couple of scans, and we'll be running a security patch. Now, before we're doing that, you said as you do online banking as well, and you do shopping online as well. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and just log in into your financial institution accounts just to check whether you should have received any bad transaction or not. In case if you receive any bad hit, let me know. We'll be putting a security patch on your login page as well.
I think you misunderstood me when I said we did online banking. I meant that I call up the bank and tell them to make a payment, and then they make the payment. I don't do anything on the computer.
Oh, okay. So I mean, you do not. Okay, very good, very good. So how about shopping online?
Hang on, I gotta go to the door.
Do you shop online? Sure.
Yeah, sure. Come on.
All right, really this way?
Yep.
I got your bag.
There you go. Let's go downstairs.
All right.
Send her go. Hang on, guys, making a delivery. Hang on now.
Sure.
Good wait.
You're all set down there.
Great, thank you very much.
Yep, you have a good one.
Thanks. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm back again. Busy day. You there?
Right. So what I'm going to do, sir? Yes, sir. I'm here. Can you hear me?
What? Oh, okay.
I'm just running a security patch on your device, sir. So it will take a couple of hours to run the security patch, and then whenever you find time, when it gets completed, just close the computer. And
Okay.
it'll be fine.
So I can just shut down the computer anytime I want?
Just give me a second, sir. Alright, so let the scan go is complete, and once it will get completed, then you can turn it off and use it from tomorrow.
Okay. So where are you guys located?
Alright?
I say, where are you guys
We're located
located?
in Southern California, sir, San Diego.
Oh. Well, the weather's a lot nicer there. You guys don't get all the snow we get up here.
Yep. Yep.
So I used to have some friends in San Diego. You're close to I-76? They used to live.
Absolutely, sure.
Oh, you are, okay. You ever take I-76 up north to
No.
up north to San Francisco? That's a nice drive.
Yes, sir.
Goes right up the coast there.
Yes, it is. Anyways. Got it. So, sure, in case if you find any trouble, do give us a call back. We'll be happy to assist you, okay?
Okay, that's cool. So we're done then, right?
Please talking to you, sure. Have a blessed day.
Okay.
Yep, we're done.
Okay, so what we did first, we had him connect to a virtual box in which I had loaded Storm OS, and of course couldn't get anything to run on that version of Arch Linux. He was trying to run Windows programs. Then we closed it out, opened up the Microsoft 10, Windows 10 in a virtual box, and now he's running some kind of, he's running a standard Microsoft thing. I'm surprised at that point he didn't ask for any money. I think the problem is that he, well, we'll see. I just sit here and watch what he does. I'm going to play around with any desk here and see what I can do. We'll just close all this stuff out. He said I could shut down my computer, so we'll see. And of course, he thinks he has a way to log back in, but that ain't gonna happen. So that's enough for this morning. Got some other things to do. So anyway, that was kind of interesting this morning, and I hope it was interesting for you.